Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Eu quid agat, quo nunc reginam bire furentem audeat ad fatu, quae prim exordia sumat, aut quanimum nunc uc celerem nunc dividit eluc, in partesque rapit varias per quamnia versat, aec alternati potior sententia visa est. Alas, what should he do? With what address should he now dare to approach the raving queen? What first beginnings should he undertake? And now he divides his swift mind here and now there, and he seizes into various directions, and he turns through all things. This opinion appeared more preferable to him alternating. So let's go back up to the beginning and look at a few grammar concepts. First, these verbs that I have underlined, agat, audeat, sumat, are all present active subjunctives, and the reason that they are in the subjunctive is because they're deliberative subjunctives. Aeneas is deliberating what he should do, there's doubt involved, so they are present active subjunctives, they're deliberative subjunctives. Alas, what should he do, being Aeneas? Now, with what approach should he address, or should he dare to address, the raving queen, being Dido? And he's already imagining her as furentem. He knows that his announcement to leave Carthage and sail for Italy without her is going to make her furens. She's going to be raving. So he's wondering what words should he address her with. Here this quae prima exordia is neuter plural, and it's what first addresses should he undertake. So he's trying to plan out what to say to her, what to do. Now this next sentence, we have something interesting. We have this nunc hunc, nunc eluc, now here, now there, really just emphasizing the alternating nature of Aeneas right now. And now we have he seizes into various parts or various directions, and he turns through everything. Kind of like he's turning his mind. He's trying to figure out what to do. Haec sententia. This is just our simple nominative subject here, feminine, singular. Haec sententia, this opinion, appeared. Notice this visa agrees with sententia, haec, so we know that this is definitely the subject. So this opinion, and remember whenever video, videre is in the passive, it doesn't just always mean to see, be seen, it can mean to seem or appear. So we can say, this opinion appeared better to him alternating. This alternanti is a present active participle agreeing with Aeneas, the unspoken subject here.